In this lecture, you are going to see the ratio of home pages in search results. For example, when you search for a keyword, among the top 10 to 30 results, there may be a few results that directly link to home page of some domain names. These are called home pages in the search result. This graph represents the ratio of home pages from 1 to 30th Google search result. Normally, when people search for a particular keyword, for example, GameSpot or WCCF Tech, only the first search result links directly to the home page, and the remaining second to 30th search results link to some of the interior URLs or content pages in those websites. What does this mean for the brands? To serve the search demand, brands are focusing to invest in content marketing and developing content hubs with evergreen content. This is paying dividends for the brands to identify themselves as knowledge centers, to serve best user experience to their users, and to direct them to these most relevant content pages. This trend also holds true compared from 2013 to 2014, which indicated that this is a long term trend and this trend is going to follow for the coming years. Also, this is in line with Google's development and endeavors to direct the user to the best page on every site. That is, directly to the page that has the answer for the user's search terms. Before moving further, I wish to make you clear about the difference between subdomains and directories. If example.com is the domain name, then example.com slash blog is directory page and blog.example.com is the subdomain. The proportion of home pages ranking in lower positions has significantly decreased in 2015. This means that from search result position 2 downwards, there are more interior pages, that is, specific landing pages at directories level or subdomain level. So, what is the final inference from this graph? Approximately 90% of the search results with rankings 2 to 30 are interior pages, and they are not the home page. On the other hand, 30% of the URLs listed in position 1 are the home page to the domains. Now, what's next? Many of you might have a question. If I buy a domain with .com extension, will I get a boost in search ranking? Let's discuss the answer in the next lecture.